Crypto Jimbo here today. I hope that you had a good Christmas. Something we do without thinking. I just spent $6 on a cappuccino and it was gone in about 15 minutes. And most of us do this almost every day or at least a few times a week. Let me know in the comments, how many cups of coffee do you buy per week? But then when we talk about Bitcoin, people tell me, I missed the boat. I can't afford a Bitcoin. It's too expensive. And it's this mindset that keeps us from future financial stability. I want to show you today what happens if you stop buying the coffee, or maybe not stop, but buy a little bit less coffee, start buying a little bit of Bitcoin, how quickly that can accumulate. And then I want to show you an app called Base 8 that focuses on this very thing. And they're actually giving away 2.5 million sats. And I'm going to explain what a sat is here in a minute. It's related to Bitcoin. And they're doing this just to help you get started. So look at the numbers. You buy a latte, it costs about $5. Okay, that's actually cheap for a latte, I think. If you buy one, we'll say every day. We'll say you have a little bit of a coffee addiction, caffeine addiction. That's $35 per week. That's about $150 per month. And that's over $1,800 per year on coffee, a consumable. It's gone as soon as you finish it. But now if you had done that exact same thing, the $5 a day into Bitcoin for the last 5 years, you would have invested about $9,000, but you'd have $40,000 right now. This is the whole strategy behind dollar cost averaging, is you just put a little bit in over a long period of time. 5 years is not even that long. But over time, that turns into a big amount of money. And this strategy isn't for millionaires. This is a strategy for people who can give up a cup of coffee. And we call this strategy stacking sats. So what is a sat? Well, I thought this video was about Bitcoin. Everybody knows what Bitcoin is. Not a lot of people know what sats are. A sat is just short for Satoshi. Satoshi is kind of the anonymous creator of Bitcoin, but it's the smallest unit of Bitcoin. So there's 100 million sats in a Bitcoin. So again, you think of Bitcoin, oh, that's $90,000. That's too big. I can never get a Bitcoin. You don't have to get a Bitcoin. You can get a Satoshi, a sat. But the point of this, it's like instead of $1 million bill, you can get, a $1 bill. And the point of this is to make it feel, something you could use for currency for regular people. I don't think any of us, let me know in the comments if you're in a position where $90,000 can be a currency for you. Bitcoin could be a currency. But a Satoshi right now is actually, even a lot less than a penny. So that's something that we can wrap our minds around as a currency. You might not be able to get one Bitcoin, but you can get a lot of Satoshis, sats, and you can sound educated about Bitcoin. So, and I've been looking at a simple way for my audience to do this, and I think I found it with Base 8. But it's a Bitcoin first financial platform, and it just makes this whole idea easy. Crypto a lot of times scares people because there's all these altcoins, there's these meme coins, there's all these scams going on, but Bitcoin is crypto, and it's the stable part of crypto. And it's the part I would recommend. I don't do financial advice, but it's the part of crypto that I'd say everyone should have some kind of grasp on it. So with Base 8, you can use sats to invest, pay, earn, swap, everything you want to do with crypto. And I really like them. They don't take commissions on Bitcoin buys, which makes it about 50% cheaper than Coinbase. And I really like they have an auto stacking feature where you can set up an automatic schedule. You could say daily, I want to buy $5 worth of sats, $5 worth of Bitcoin every day. And you hook it up to your bank. It just does it automatically. You don't have to think about it. You probably won't even notice that it's there. But again, over time, and especially if Bitcoin does in the future what it could do, I'm not here to make predictions, but as fiat currency, that's, dollars, euros, pounds, etc., as those become less stable, digital currency becomes more attractive. So you can set it up to auto buy these sats, daily, you could do weekly, you could do monthly. You earn yield on that as it's in there. So it's kind of like a savings account. It's, earning more Bitcoin while it's sitting in there. And they're launching a Visa debit card soon so that you can pay with your Bitcoin. And right now they're doing a huge giveaway, giving away 2.5 million sats of Bitcoin. And all you have to do is just download the app, create an account. It's an app that sits on your phone. That's what we're used to using. You don't have to have these complicated crypto tools that I talk so much about. Then you get another 5,000 points when you fund your account. And these Base 8 points you can swap for sats later. Even if you don't win the grand prize, you win some Bitcoin just for creating an account, and then some extra just for putting some money into your account. Get it going. The hardest part is just getting started. A lot of people it takes them a lot to just take that plunge. I say a lot, with side hustles, there's a bigger gap between $0 and $1 that you've made from a side hustle than there is from $1 to $1,000. That's true with investing as well. That's true with Bitcoin. The hardest part is just going from I have 0 Bitcoin to, I have 1 Satoshi. I have 1 part of a Bitcoin. But crypto is going to be a part of your future whether or not you like it, so you might as well get started now. What's the saying? It's not in the Bible, but don't put off until tomorrow what you can do today. So I'll leave links down below. Go download the app. Everybody who's watching this, please download the app. Comment down below and say, I downloaded the app. Then you can create an account. You can start getting sats. You can start having a piece of Bitcoin. Then when, the new price of Bitcoin comes on the news, you can stop feeling like, I wish I had, got in on Bitcoin. You can be in on Bitcoin. So I'll leave all the links down below. Go download the app. Appreciate you guys very much. God bless you guys and have a great rest of your day.